After the pandemic broke out, I mean, it impacted the Life Insurance Corporation of India for the first 2 months very badly. And our renewal collections, you see, we are having basically two main interactions with the customer, the sales and the servicing.
Right.
The servicing part is connected with the collection of premiums. And we immediately, after initial hiccups in the April and May, in June, we started activizing the other channels. Like the digital kind of setup was already there. Now, during pandemic, it got a push. If I share some statistic with you, that we have collected 66% of our renewal premium through other modes, digital modes, in this period, and the amount is coming to 50,000 crores. The second part is related to the claim settlement. What we did, physically documents are to be presented, but we came out with an idea that the documents can be submitted digitally, scanned documents, and we started with that. The third part is the sales. Sales, we are already on online platform at our LIC India website, where the person can go and then they can buy the insurance policy. But in the meantime, since this pandemic was there, we were already working on certain other initiatives. One was called end-to-end solution, where our development officer who is sitting at his home, from there he can complete the policy, he can enter the data, he can complete the policy. It need not to be come to office and submit that. Now that solution is now being extended to our high-performing agents as well. And the second solution which we were working, and now it's almost finalized, was an app for the agents, where the customer may be sitting in some other city, agent is submitting, I mean, sitting in third city, second city, and the office is in third city. All three will be connected digitally, and the proposals can be submitted online, and it will be underwritten in our branch. That system is ready. We are waiting for the regulatory approvals because the regulator has to approve this system. It's a new system. Then we also went for the video medical recordings. Earlier, the customer has to go to the doctor to physically present, to be there, and then get medically examined. Now the video recording is done, and the medical examination is conducted online. For other medical special reports, they still have to go to diagnostic centers, since nobody is ready with that kind of system in India presently. So, sir, virtually we activated all our alternative channels. Let me, sir, tell you that we were one of the first in India to introduce information technology in 1959. And presently, all our 6,000 offices are interlinked to our own intranet. And virtually, 10 years back, we started with the digitalization of our records. The number is 410 crore records have been scanned already, so that we will be able to extend this servicing.
Right.
We had the legacy problems. So now that has enabled us to give any kind of service in any branch. The customer may not have to go to the office. The customer can log on to our customer portal on our website, also get themselves registered, and most of the services can be done through the portal itself. Regarding cyber security, this is a continuous process. We are deploying all the available tools, best tools in the market, to take care of this thing. Second is that the audit is also conducted by an external agencies to look at the vulnerabilities, and we plug them. It's a continuous process. Even the regulator also, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, they also conduct this cyber security audit. So those robust systems are there. We are deploying all the best tools available in the market. The challenges that we faced was that since most of the places we are a servicing organization, and the number of transactions which we conduct is humongous. I mean, I will just give you that till now 15 crore transactions have happened on the premium front itself. Right. So presently close to about 16 to 18 crore transactions have already happened. So the thing was how to maintain this thing. We had never attempted earlier work from home kind of environment, but immediately we put our teams in place, and I'm happy to share with you that we were able to successfully start working from home, including our investment operations, which we never thought that it could be done. So the challenge was that itself, but our teams were very successful, sir. I may tell you that our all IT infrastructure, excepting hardware, is internally managed. We are not depending upon any external vendor. Of course, for the cyber security aspect, the audit part, it is being done by the outsiders. So that was the challenge, but we were able to overcome that, sir.